Hi guys, I'm Ryan. I'm actually a cuisine chef instructor at Palate Sensations. Today we are actually at Tiong Bahru Market. Okay, the reason why we are here, we also have classes that we do such as market tours, where we will actually do a tour of the whole entire Tiong Bahru Market. And after that, we will bring the clients back to the studio to do a cook-off. Okay, so let's go. Actually the first floor, the first ground area. Okay, the brief history of what's actually going on around here. Okay, firstly, if you see all the shops right at the side over here, it's like a provision shop. So olden days, it's like a one-stop shopping center for them. Okay, they have their clothes, they can actually just come here and get their daily stuff like their clothes, their bed sheets. And as you can see over here, the stalls here are quite specialized in certain ways. Like if they sell dried stuff, spices, they only actually sell all this kind of dried spices. Okay, because this kind of spices is actually you can't really actually see in other markets, because over here they actually cater a lot to Caucasians because of the expats that's living around this area. Okay, you have dried, like for example, dried oregano, thyme. On my left side is where they sell all the old school biscuits and tidbits. It's hardly you get to see all this in Singapore nowadays. It's very, very limited. They have all portioned up for you if you want it, to get it all portioned just like that. Aisles lined with small stalls selling dry ingredients. Spices are neatly displayed in plastic packaging and containers. For generations, the fruit stall vendors at this bustling market have been a cornerstone of the community. Their stalls overflow with an array of fruits, banana, oranges, dragon fruits, and many more. This marketplace is not just about fruits, it's about tradition, community, and the timeless bond between sellers and buyers. If you are interested, come and join us. Do sign up on Palate Sensation website itself. Okay, I'll be bringing you all for the market tour. Okay, and that's all for today.